School auditioned with a gospel song, and now they're here to bless us once more, singing This is the Gospel of Jesus Christ. Here is Innswood High School.
All right, so this sounded like you're bringing a band from tour, which was good. Well animated choir director. We could have ended this at do. We could have ended it right there, yeah? Because it got a little shaky after that.
First lead singer was convincing, the band, top class, top brass. I just didn't like the ending. Personally, I would not have chosen this song for this competition because this guy sounded like the tape, but you did it well.
Every time you sing every word of the gospel when you're going up, I don't know if you're afraid of higher notes or what, but you're good. So you need to attack those higher notes and try and keep the volume level the same. Everything else was good, except the last part went off key. When you say every word of the gospel, the last part. So you can fix up that.
If Innswood deserves a space in round 3, then text or call 444-8802.